Oh shit.
What is up, everyone? Today is our second day at PRI, Performance Racing Industries Auto Show, and there's a lot to take in. There's way more people here than there was yesterday. I mean, yesterday was like a trial day. We were half awake, we were there for 2 hours, we didn't get much done, but today is the day to grind. We're gonna see as much as we can, talk to as many people as we can, learn a few things, see some cool product, and I don't know, network.
Try not to be actively hungover.
The fuck is this?
We've been doing good. We've been doing a lot of talking, a lot of companies. Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Ready? Oh, it won't do it anymore.
It's like a Wiggins almost.
Yeah.
How much do you think that one clamp is?
Okay, so the quick disconnects we use are like 40 bucks a connector. I'm gonna say these are probably 80.
No, these are actually really cool.
I gotta go.
I don't know about you, but when I think of autometer gauges, I think of the little gauges that have the advanced AutoZone and even Napa, and I don't honestly think too highly of them just because they look old, they look janky, but clearly they have a lot more.
These are gorgeous.
So this stock line of gauges, they offer them in 3 different finishes. So you can get black bezels, chrome bezels, or glossy black bezels.
What, do you deal for them? What the hell?
No, but I've read so much about them because I can't afford them, so I just keep reading about them.
I'm impressed. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
I need these. Wow, okay.
It's important to know how your fish are doing. I think they're dead though. I think the fish died.
So just in case you drive your car off a cliff into a lake, you know your gauges will survive.
Yeah, you'll know what your oil pressure is at the bottom of Black Pond.
Oh, this is amazing.
So it's carbon barrel, titanium face.
Oh my god.
How heavy is this one wheel? Do you know? 19.5 pounds at a what, 19?
You got Cletus.
We're out here, live action, PRI. Yeah, I know.
Any cars? Anything? Show
I
off?
got Leroy here.
Okay,
yeah,
where's-
Texas Speed Booth.
Okay.
He's chilling, so hell yeah.
Find that.
Yep, you just follow the bald eagles. You'll be there in no
I
time.
see him soaring.
Yep, they're always out here.
Beautiful.
So,
Well, it was nice to meet you.
hey, bro, nice to meet you. Hell
Bucket
yeah.
list right off.
Hell yeah, brother.
So I kind of fangirl a little bit over Cletus. I'm a little starstruck right now. This is funny. That is awesome. Cletus, you're really tall, and I usually get that comment, so I'm happy you're taller than me, but that is sick.
Okay, they had this thing on display at World Cup, so it's an LS
and-
block that they stretched out to 12 cylinders.
That is the most beautiful thing I've ever heard.
They ran it at World Cup. I don't know if they want to run it here because it's a little loud.
Is there a start button? Oh my god. This is definitely on the top of shit I need for my shop. So much money, but I could do so much cool stuff with it. I found this hilarious. This whole entire rig to Ben's, what, a 3/8 line?
It's okay, it works.
Doesn't this just feel right?
These buttons are so much nicer than mine. Mine have stopped clicking, like...
Yeah, yours have never clicked. It feels good.
So the only thing that sucks about being under the age of like 30 at the show is you can show complete interest in a product and no one will talk to you. You have to go up to them and show them that you're not a complete idiot and you actually are doing something with yourself, and then they might actually talk to you. But I understand.
They're all broke anyway.
Yeah,
so.
we're not going to get any attention here.
Little do they know.
Little do they know I already bought their shit. Joke's on you guys.
Alright, so this machine's pretty cool. This is actually a machine to balance turbos, which is crazy because I've never seen one. I was always curious on how they did it.
So this thing's funny. It's literally like a wheel balancer, but for a turbo.
I've got 11 of them. Okay. Yeah, I do all of them.
Yeah, that's
How
awesome.
fast can you usually bang out a core if it's like not really that messed up?
Oh, me? Probably 30 minutes, I'm done.
Look at you, you're professional.
Yeah, it's good money.
Yeah.
We had this conversation on the drive here. We were talking about this.
I would want to buy that literally just so I could test eBay turbo. I was like, hey, I'm a little stressed. I think we should pick up a few joints.
Yo.
Oh,
You know what I mean?
this will take the edge off.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry. That was absolutely horrible. I apologize, but I had to do it.
Cool. Look at all this aluminum.
This is all the Rasta plug wires. This is actually kind of cool.
Imagine the Miata's whole wire harness being in this aluminum. That's actually really cool.
Oh, I'm such a sucker for the wire loom. Okay guys, so a big part of this with me and Kenny is, as you know, me and Kenny have been doing a lot of the tuning stuff lately. That's really what we've been wanting to get into. That's been our bread and butter.
Yep, that's our life right there.
There it is. So that's where I've been wanting to grow. Same with Kenny. That's why we've been doing so much together lately. And we've been talking to a lot of smaller ECU companies, a lot of flash tuning companies, and it's been a pretty good experience.
Yeah,
so
there's a
far.
lot of sick people here.
Exactly. So Luckily, since Kenny has a dyno, it's easier to have them take us a little bit more serious.
Unlike Dino Jet, who doesn't seem to give a shit.
But we actually we just went up to a booth that we've been really curious about for a pretty long time now, and that is UpRev. Now, UpRev is basically the tuning. It's kind of like a plug-and-play tuner for Nissans. More importantly, I think their bread and butter is 350Z.
And G35s.
Which, yeah, it's a 350Z.
No, they're better because they look good.
Yeah, whatever. They look like
have
a
real
potato,
interiors.
but-
Have you seen a 350Z interior? I know that's a little bit too new for you, but
So this is basically a platform tuning for them that we could use as a tuner, and now we were able to tune 350Zs for people as we buy credits and do that.
Yeah.
So this is going to allow us to tune stock ECU newer Nissans, which is huge.
which is something we did not have the capabilities of without Jamie Marsh before. And now we can ruin cars our own.
So I'm really excited. This is sick because this is perfect. This is literally like a trial thing for their. So you got to buy credits, and then obviously they're kind of expensive. But this is a trial period for us, which gives us basically 2 cars worth of credits.
Yeah.
So we get to tune 2 cars on this basically for free, which is amazing.
We're gonna go through those in about the first 2 days we get back, I would say.
You guys need a tune on your G35? Hit us up.
Or 350Z.
Not 350Zs, we don't want that.
So it's really funny seeing BBS in person because I feel like I see 999 fakes for one reel.
We got 6 real ones here, so
So the real one-
6,000 wheels total.
The real ones just start to look fake because you get so used to it.
Honestly.
Very gorgeous though.
I use the
So I really wanted to go and talk to Andre from HP Academy, and I completely got really nervous and asked for a selfie and ran away. So that was really embarrassing. I wish you guys could have been there for. Actually, I don't wish you guys were there for that because it was really bad. But hopefully we can catch up with him tomorrow and do some talking. That'd be pretty cool. Insanely intelligent,
Charming. Australian.
here from Australia. So this would be my probably only moment for a long time.
It's his destiny is what it is.
I want to show off how badass this thing is. Look how much water this thing is pushing. Can you hear it? Because I can't.
Butter.
Wow. The Cletus booth.
Look at this right here.
Oh my god. Got the dew on it. I have to show this. Look, it's adorable.
This is actually bigger than a B series.
That is. I wish this is like an actual like engine.
I mean, it's honestly like if you sleeved this, you could probably run this in like a wicked RC car.
No, too big. Yeah, not to scale. Whatever. All right.
So they shut the lights off kind of, so I think they're kicking us out. We've been going non-stop since 11 o'clock, and I think we've done really well today. We talked to so many companies. Like I said yesterday, what's up, buddy? So, like I said yesterday, it's amazing, like how dense the car builders here, like how dense everyone, like how knowledgeable everyone is. It's really refreshing.
Look at these brakes.
Yeah, those are.
Brakes. We could put these on our truck, I'm pretty sure.
It's really cool because it seems like everyone you go up to, they have a lot of information to share. I've learned a lot. And
They all have sick builds too. I'm a little jealous.
Exactly. So
it's definitely like, it's refreshing that someone's not trying to just sell us something. They're just trying to like make sure we know exactly what we're getting into, what products they have, and it's been great. Like I said, I've learned a lot, and it's refreshing, and we've been talking too much.
Oh my god, I'm gonna lose my voice by the end of today.
Damn, I can't get over this. Show is awesome. Like, I know I keep comparing it to SEMA, but I mean, that's the only thing I can compare it
I mean,
to.
it's a comparable show. It's just a very different. Like you said, SEMA is all about like the marketing aspect of it, and this is so much technical like business talk.
It's amazing, and there's so many intelligent people here. What's great about here is like SEMA, they'll bring their sales reps. Here, they bring their engineers, they bring their developers. It is sick. They bring all their nerds, and I love it.
can we just talk about how gorgeous this is? Oh, I wish I had more money.
We're just trying to leave and go get food, and we're literally lost. We can't figure. Ooh.
Lost in the sauce.
Ooh. Okay.
Pretty.
Right here. What I need. Oh my god.
We're literally lost. I don't know where we are. There's no exit.
Oh my god. We're back at our beautiful haunted house.
I accidentally yelled the code. I was like, Gary, the code is 2000, but I yelled it from the car, and like 5 of the neighbors were outside, and I was like,
All right, guys. So it's like 1:30 in the morning. I'm about to finish ending my video, and I completely forgot that we never ended it. It's been such a long day. I know we've been slacking on filming a little bit, but this whole thing has been one giant networking. Just reaching out to companies, learning new things, trying to get some more sponsorships, trying to get some new products, and I don't know. That's it. I can't think. But I mean, I just want to show you guys. This is everything we grabbed just today. We've been going through it. All the pamphlets we've been going through. We've been trying to like get caught up on everything. And Kenny and I have been putting together this list for like an hour and a half now to make use of the last couple hours we have tomorrow.
Yeah. So these are all the people that we have to talk to before the end of the day.
It's
tomorrow.
Going great, actually.
Yeah, we're in the ends now. So
the main goal is obviously just to find new products to work with, find some new support for the channel, and just reach out more and do more. And this has been a great experience to do so. So I don't know if we're gonna make a video tomorrow because it's gonna be just rushing through this and traveling, but we'll see what we can do. We'll try and get something out there. So I hope you guys have been enjoying the PRI content so far, and that's about it. We gotta go to bed. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Kenny,
until next time, keep it real.